This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. Discover a versatile mountain property where your vision can come to life. This offering consists of 3 parcels totaling approximately 4.2 acres, just off a paved road. Enjoy the rolling pasture land with power available on the 2 lower parcels, while the 3rd parcel offers end-of-road privacy and comes complete with an installed 3-bedroom septic system. Unrestricted and welcoming to RVs and mobiles, this property provides flexibility for various lifestyles or ventures. With easy access to downtown Murphy and Blairsville, Georgia, you'll have the perfect balance of seclusion and convenience. For more information, review the details below or contact Carol Robinson at 866-835-8500 extension 10.